Hey guys, and welcome back to another Savvy Homemade video, and today we'll be making a body scrub which is great for removing all those dead skin cells and leaving your skin feeling soft and silky smooth. So for a full list of our ingredients, just check out our website at savvyhomemade.com. But first, we'll be using 250 grams of dead sea salt and just throw that into the mixing bowl. I have found with sensitive or extremely dry or mature skin, it's probably best to use sugar instead of salt. So just substitute that exactly the same amount. So now we're going to add our oils, and we'll be using 55 grams of sweet almond oil and 55 grams of fractionated coconut oil. And it's really important to get fractionated. It's not just your ordinary coconut oil that you can get in store at your local grocery store. It's treated so that it will always be a liquid regardless of temperature. It's around now that I like to give it just a quick stir, just so that the oil is fully mixed into the dead sea salt. So now it's time to add our 12 drops of our chosen essential oils. And firstly, I'm using lemon, and I'm going to add about 7 drops of that. Ordinarily I would add 6, however I am using also an orange essential oil, but I'm using 5-fold orange essential oil, which means it's just a little bit stronger, and so to balance them a bit more easily, I'm going to use 7 drops of the lemon and 5 of the 5-fold essential oil. So once you've given it a good stir, you're looking for consistency here, and obviously ingredients can vary. So if you find it's a little bit sloppy, just go and throw in a bit more dead sea salt, which I had to do here. I've done it in the past and it's been absolutely fine. I think sometimes it depends on the weather that day. If there's a little bit too much moisture in the air, it can be a little bit too sloppy. But otherwise, if it's fine, go ahead and pop that into your chosen container. I'm using plastic today, but it's very important if you are using plastic to use a PET plastic. Otherwise, the essential oils within the scrub will degrade the plastic, and you'll find that you'll have plastic leaching into your product, and that's something we absolutely don't want when we're applying it to our skin. So there we have it, a lovely body scrub for you to use, gift, or even sell. For more DIY crafts and homemade gift ideas, visit savvyhomemade.com.